In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your company or your personal information on your invoice and ClickUp. So if you want to add information such as your address, your country, and even your phone numbers and emails, you can go ahead and add these, including even your addresses. To do this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you are on your account, head over to this workspace name and then click on settings. Now under settings, go ahead and click on upgrade. And then from here, scroll down until you see invoices. Now to add information for your country and other details, go ahead and click on country here and then choose your country. And then once you have chosen your country, now you'll be able to add details of your company name, city, street, as well as postal code and tax ID. Once this is done, now you can go ahead and save the changes and the invoice will be updated. So that's how you can add your details on your invoice in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.